I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to check your payment history on Uber Eats, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Uber Eats app. Launch the Uber Eats app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into your account to access your order details. Step 2. Go to your account. Tap on the profile icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Select orders. In your account settings, find and select the orders option. This will show you a list of all your past orders. Step 4. View payment details. Choose any order from the list to see its details. Scroll down to find the payment information, including the total amount charged and any discounts applied. Step 5. Check for specific dates. If you need to find payments from a specific date, use the filter option at the top of the orders list. This can help you narrow down your search quickly. Just a heads up, if you don't see the payment details, make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Happy ordering!